Meaning of DDT.
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 DDT. DDT stands for dichlorodiphenyltrichloroethane. It is an insecticide that was widely used in the mid-20th century to control malaria, typhus, and other insect-borne diseases. However, it was found to have harmful effects on the environment and wildlife, leading to its worldwide ban in the 1970s. DDT exposure has been linked to reproductive and developmental problems in animals, as well as potential cancer and endocrine disruption in humans. Despite the ban, DDT can still be found in some environments due to its persistence and ability to accumulate in fatty tissues.